Hello everyone, welcome to the video series of TFM VPN lab assignment. In last two videos we saw how to build a VPN tunnel and how multiple essays being created when we have a new proxy ID being added over a VPN tunnel. Now in this video we will see how we can reduce those number of essays. So I have created a task which is with the help of NAT these essays can be reduced. So it says create an NAT policy on checkpoint firewall to reduce number of essays for VPN tunnel between checkpoint and PAN. Make sure VPN configuration is updated to include NAT addresses. So source address when traffic is being initiated from the router, which is 136.1.125 and 170.1.1.0, going towards test PC behind Palo Alto firewall should be NATed with this IP address. And then we have to see how many essays are there on the firewall. So let me go back to the checkpoint firewall, click on dashboard and then go to the NAT. So few NAT entries are already there. Let me delete these entries. So we need a group basically, and that group is, so we have a VPN domain group which has two networks, which is 136.1.125 and 170.1.1.10/24. When this is going to access 136.1.123 network, source has to be translated. Hide net, then click on new node host nat-136.1.121 and 111. Let me verify this. 111, yes. And then IP address 136.1.121.111. Okay. So we have a NAT rule. So it says traffic from these two networks going towards 136.1.123 should be NATed with 136.1.121.111. Good. Security policy, no changes are required because as per the packet flow, first there will be a policy lookup and then traffic will go to the NAT engine for the NATing. So no changes required on the policy. We need to make changes in the encryption domain. Logically, if you refer your notes for the packet flow, as per packet flow, first NAT has to happen and after that traffic will go over the VPN. So logically, encryption domain should be always the netted IP address, and that is true in all other vendors. For example, in Juniper NetScreen, Juniper SRX, Palo Alto Firewall, encryption domain is always just the netted IP address. Whereas in case of checkpoint firewall, both original as well as netted IP address has to be part of encryption domain. So what I'm going to do is, in the same group, let me add that host. So we have now encryption domain updated, we have now NAT policy, and click on install. Go to the Palo Alto firewall. Okay. For Palo Alto, first thing is, let's update route, because this time we will not see 170 and 136.1.125 network. We will see 136.1.121.111. So remove these two routes. I don't need them. Click on add PAN CP VPN 136.1.121.111/32. Go to tunnel interface and click on none. Perfect. We have a route for the netted IP address. Now go to IPsec tunnel. So no proxy ID, no, these two proxy IDs are required now. So let me delete it. PAN-CP- proxy ID. Local is now again same 136.1.123.0/24, but this time remote will be 136.1.121.111/32. That's the netted address. Let me verify it again. 121.111. That's good. Click on OK. Okay. And now security policies. Now traffic will come from 136.112.111. So these 170 and 125 networks are not required. Let me remove this. Click on add 136.112.111/32. Okay. And if you need bidirectional communication, again these two are not required. That's not true basically for this lab, because we have done hide net, so we will not be initiate traffic to that IP address. But so leave this. So that's not required logically. If you have good concepts on that, you should know why this will not work. So click on OK. Policy is there which says 123 as the destination, 121.111 as the source. Click on commit. Meanwhile, we can flush the SS. 0, safer option for the lab only, not in production environment. Go to Palo Alto, clear VPN, IKE SA, clear VPN, IPsec SA. Done. Let's verify policy on the Palo Alto firewall. Sorry. So something is wrong. Let's wait for a second. Okay. So on checkpoint it has been pushed. Palo Alto is also done. Let's go to the router. First ping without source IP address. So we should see response coming back. I can see tunnel is up. We will verify same in logs as well. And then from here as well, I could see response back. So quick test on the tracker. So if you see phase 1 main mode completion, you see quick mode completion. This time quick mode is between netted IP address in the 136.1.123, and there is no separate quick mode negotiation which happened in last case. And we could see both the traffic. It is encrypted. And if you go to CLI of checkpoint firewall, phase 1 single SA and phase 2 is also one pair. One is for inbound and one is for outbound. So let me verify the logs on Palo Alto. We should see same traffic getting decrypted. So okay, so we could see traffic from 136.1.121.111, 136.1.1, and this is, if you see, from tunnel 1 to test PC domain. So we could see this traffic. So logging is a bit different here in comparison to checkpoint firewall. That is the reason we are not able to see. Similar to checkpoint, traffic is getting encrypted and decrypted, and we all know in case of route-based VPN, policy is only required when traffic is traversing in clear text. So from test PC to VPN or from VPN to test PC, the moment traffic is getting encrypted, no policy is required on any vendor device if VPN type is route-based VPN. So we are able to reduce number of SSH with the help of netting. So that's all for this video. Try to replicate this lab and hope you are enjoying this video series from Troika Systems. Thank you very much.